In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio on Capcut. By the end, you'll be able to add clear voiceovers directly inside your project using Capcut's built-in recording tool, without any extra software. Start by opening Capcut and loading the project where you want the voiceover. Make sure your footage and any background music are on the timeline so you can time your narration correctly. It helps to place the playhead at the exact moment you want your voice to begin. If there's music, consider lowering its volume temporarily so you can hear yourself clearly while recording. Next, look for the microphone icon near the timeline controls. Click it to open the voiceover recorder. The first time you do this, your device may ask for permission to use the microphone. Be sure to allow it so Capcut can capture your audio. If you have multiple mics, choose the correct input from your system settings beforehand. Speak a few test words and watch the input meter. You want it to sit comfortably in a healthy range, not barely moving and not peaking into the red. If it's too loud or too soft, adjust your input level or move closer or farther from the mic. When you're ready, position the playhead where your narration should start and click. Start recording. Capcut may give a brief countdown, which is your cue to take a breath and settle your pacing. Speak clearly and consistently, and keep your eyes on the playhead so your words line up with the visuals. If you tend to pop your Ps, angle the mic slightly off-center, or keep a bit more distance. Minimize background noise by turning off fans and notifications, and consider wearing headphones to prevent audio from looping back into the mic. When you finish speaking, click Stop Recording. Capcut will place the recorded audio clip on the timeline right where you started. Press play to review. If the beginning or end has extra silence, trim the clip by dragging its edges. You can also slide the clip along the timeline to fine-tune alignment and adjust the volume if it's too loud or soft. If the room tone is noticeable, try a light touch of noise reduction if your version of Capcut offers it. And if you're not happy with the take, simply delete the clip and record again using the mic icon. That's all you need to record audio in Capcut. Open your project, click the mic, start recording, then stop to place your take. Simple, fast, and built right into your workflow. Happy editing!